two basic stitches in knitting are knit and purl, both of which can also be done with Tunisian crochet. It's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. I did an earlier video on the knit stitch, and today I'm going to cover how to do the Tunisian purl stitch. Let's get started. For this project, I'm using a worsted weight yarn plus a Tunisian crochet hook. First, chain the number of stitches you want in your project. For the foundation row, turn your chain so you can see the bumps on the back of the chain stitches. We'll be inserting the hook in those bumps to pull up a loop. This is a little bit harder than just going through the top loop, but it's worth it because it will reduce curling and give us a nice finish on the bottom. This is what it looks like, and look at those nice even V-stitches on the bottom of your work. For the back pass, yarn over and pull through one, then yarn over and pull through two, all the way back until you've got one loop on your hook. With the foundation row completed, we're ready to start the purl stitch. The yarn for the purl stitch will be in front, so we'll do a yarn under, or move the yarn to the front of your work, then insert the hook into the next bar, then move the yarn below your crochet hook, then wrap the yarn around your hook in a clockwise direction and pull through, and that's our first purl stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn under, insert your hook into the next bar, move the yarn below your hook, then wrap the yarn around your hook in a clockwise direction and pull through the bar, and that completes our second purl stitch. Again, yarn under, insert your hook through the bar, move the yarn below your hook, wrap the yarn around your hook, and pull through. Again, yarn under, insert your hook into the bar, move the yarn below your hook, wrap it around your hook in a clockwise direction, and pull through. Let's do a couple more. I have to admit that this stitch kind of intimidated me because it was so different from the other stitches and not like anything I had done before. And maybe you feel the same way too. But like anything, if you can break it down into small steps and practice, it will become easier and easier. Try not to get discouraged. You can do it. If I can, you can. So keep trying. And pat yourself on the back for mastering a new crochet skill. This is the completed forward pass except for the last stitch. On the last stitch, we're going to go through those edge loops. So insert your hook into that first loop, then turn your work and insert your hook into the second one. Yarn over and pull through both of them. Now we're ready to start the backward pass. Like always, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way back until you have one loop left on your hook. This is the start of the next row, and it's just the same as the previous row. But let's review the purl stitch again. Yarn under, insert your hook into the bar of the next stitch, move the yarn below your hook, then wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through. Yarn under, insert your hook into the next bar, move the yarn below your hook, then wrap it around in a clockwise direction and pull through. A couple more. Complete to the end of the row, and then a regular backward pass. This is what it looks like after several rows. Now it's time to bind off. The best way to finish off, I think, is to start a stitch like you would with a regular purl, move the yarn below your hook. Then when you yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn under, insert your hook into the bar, move the yarn under your hook, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Let's try a couple more. Repeat that stitch until you get to the end of the row. Here we are at the end of the row. It looks beautiful. I hope you were able to complete this with me. Get your yarn, pull it through, and weave in the end. Well done, and thanks for sticking with me on this. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I really appreciate your help in growing my channel. See you next time.